everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use your tag edit function in your Invisi-Tag app. We're going to start by hitting begin and then go to our setup menu. Once we put in our setup password, we're going to be on our menu and go to the second option down in the setup tag area, which is tag edit. The reason you would edit your tags is because you made a mistake initially naming your tag, or you want to switch your tags to a different machine or reuse a tag from equipment that you're not using or don't have anymore. So once we're to our tag edit menu, we're going to find the tag that we want to edit. So I want to change air mover number 6. I no longer have air mover number 6, so I'm going to change my tag name to dehumidifier number 2 truck 12. So once I've done this, I hit done, and as you can see, this page has all of the options that your original tag assignment page had. So I'm going to change this to dehumidifier as well, and then hit done. And that's how simple it is to use your tag edit function. So now I'm going to do one more, and I'm going to change air mover number 27 because the serial number was actually 1111. Done and done. So that's how simple and easy it is to use your tag edit function in the Invisi-Tag app.